Yes, sir. We got a good one today. I can't wait for you to try this one out. Welcome back to Conya's Kitchen. On your menu today, we got a Cajun dirty rice. All right. So this one's pretty simple. I'm gonna have all the instructions right here on the video, so you don't even have to hear me talk the entire time. Now I've made this rice a couple times. I've made it kind of spicy before. This one's more of a nice savory, a little bit of sweetness to it. So this is a different way I wanted to try it out. I loved it. So hey, try this recipe out. Let me know what you think. I promise you're gonna like it. And if you want a little more spice, go ahead, add a little more spice to it. Make it your own and have fun with it. You can't tell me that don't look good.